Hey y'all, welcome back to Where in the Herd. It's Tiffany. On today's channel, we are going to be talking about the new LAX Metro Center that they have just built, okay? But the main reason why I'm mentioning this is because I'm cheap. Yes, CHEAP, I'm cheap. Okay, thank you. Have a good night. So we are at the new train station in LA. As you all can see, it is huge. Very nice. So like I said, this is the bus you take at the airport, and then it'll drop you here. So that's the metro right there, and this shows you at the top when the next train station is going to come. But I did not need to put money onto the thing. Hi. How much is the ticket? How much is the ticket?
175
One way. Well, I have the tap card on the phone, so I'm gonna put money. So 175. Okay. All right. Thank you. So this right here is where we're going to pay for the tap card. Oh, it's gonna be hard to record and show y'all how to pay for it. But this is right here. I'm gonna load this. So you type English. I'm going to reload my tap card, and this is where I have to stop recording for a second because I actually have to tap it and it's on my phone. She needs to look at that. Let's look at the discount program. Reduced for seniors, person with disabilities. Okay, lifelong with district. Okay, all right. Anyway, let's say we were buying a tap card. You would I put Metro one way, and then you just put the money in, and then you're good to go. Oh, you also have to pay for the tap card, which is $2. But I already have a tap card, so I was just reloading mine. So very easy to use, and like I said, we're gonna go upstairs to actually catch the Metro. Map right here. It ain't showing too much. We need the other map. And then they have, because this is a new station, so how long y'all gonna be out here? Because I'm like, you guys are helping us.
They out here till like 10:30.
Oh, I heard at 10:30.
So yes, if you go down here,
okay.
you jump on the
So go this way and then go down. Okay, good.
You see another ambassador asking for a map. Some of them got maps.
Okay, good. Okay. Okay, thank you. Yes, because it's not the K one, it's the.
I'm sorry, if you're going up that side, to go up to the drain.
Oh, I didn't even see this. So they also have a little station with food and snacks and all kind of stuff.
It's cheap too.
You take the elevator. I have luggage, so that's why we're taking the elevator. But yeah, this is a view of it. This is what the top looks like. You can see the connections. This place is huge.
Where you from?
From here. Yeah, but I always have my car. I don't need to get on the Metro. Tiffany. Oh yeah, I don't stay far from here. But it's always cheaper for me to take it to the train and then catch an Uber.
Where's hubby at?
Yeah. Yeah, don't even ask. Nah, ain't nobody picking me up.
Over here, you're gonna look at it. So he's gonna see that right here. Going to the crash house station.
Oh yeah, yep, that's yeah.
So you be jumping on it.
Cause that's what happened last time.
4 stops. And you get off at the Crenshaw station.
Okay. Yeah, because last time I think he sent me to the expo. Chris, I was like, this is not the place.
No.
So get on the seat. Okay. So I'm going to go down here.
You got your car. You can tap over here.
Tap it over here. Okay. But you said the map is over here or no?
I don't know if they have none. They closed now.
Oh, they closed. Oh, so that's a whole metro.
Okay.
And this is a whole metro center right here. So this is open normally during the daytime?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
There's a map on the board. You can tap
okay, so we got 7 minutes to get on here, okay? And then you just tap right here. Very easy. So now here's the map, y'all. So you can see, yeah. Okay. Thank you. So you got the orange line, red line, blue line, yellow line, pink line, blue line, and green line. So I have to take the green line. And as you can see, it's coming in 5 minutes. Wait, I can get on this one to go to the Crenshaw line, right?
Please step back and allow customers to exit the train before boarding.
That I'm getting on. Arrived at our destination. It's a little loud up here though. And I do not want to spend $50 or $60 to take an Uber or Lyft directly from the airport. So what I do is I take a bus. So when you have gotten your luggage, you are going to look at the signs, and there are signs on these huge poles, and it's a pink sign that says LAX Metro Connector, okay? And once you find the pole, stand directly there, and there's going to be multiple buses that are going to be coming by. But remember to look for the LAX Metro Connector. If you're confused or you don't know which bus to get onto, if a bus pulls up, you can always say, hey, are you going to the metro station, okay? So once you actually get on the bus, it is free. You do not have to pay for it. Depending on what terminal, like I was at Terminal 1, so we had to stop at all the different terminals to pick up people. But once you leave the LAX Airport, the first stop, which is the metro station, is where you're going to get off at, okay? And when you're there is going to be, you know, people walking around. If you get lost or confused, there's a lot of people there to guide you, and you see that in the video as well, okay? So I feel like it's very easy to use and a great alternative. I will say that once I got to my destination, I then called an Uber, and the Uber price was $12 or $13 for my house. Had I gotten it at the airport, it probably would have been anywhere between, I would say maybe 40, 50 bucks. So if you don't mind and you want to just take it straight from the airport, go ahead and do so. But if you're like me, you want to save a little extra money, okay? And I will say in terms of safety on the train, so you just got to be careful. Always keep your head on swivel. The example I give is, it was about, I would say 9:30 at night. Mind you, I don't take the metro because I have a car. The only time I'm taking the metro is literally leaving the airport to get closer to my house. Anyway, so we're on the train. There was this young guy on the train, had a big old bottle of alcohol. So he's drinking the alcohol. Clearly, you're not supposed to have open bottles on the train station. So he has his earphones on, and he's just kind of like rapping and kind of just being very loud. And so I was definitely watching him because I feel like you don't know what people are going to do. And in my head, I'm like, this is why I don't take the metro. But do not let that alarm you. He did not do anything to me, didn't touch me, didn't come near me. but that could scare some people, right? So I'm just giving you a warning just to be careful. If you feel uncomfortable, you can always go to another train to get away from a situation where you feel like it's kind of unsafe. I did not. I kind of stayed on the train and just, watched to make sure. And the reason why I actually didn't move trains because I was at the end of the train. So I feel like I would have had to cross him to get to the other train, and I just had luggage and backpacks and I had my phone. I just wanted to make sure we was gonna be all copacetic and good, so I just stayed there and watched. But other than that, I feel like it's pretty safe, but again, just watch your surroundings. I want to share a quick little tip with you all. So if you're like me, you often lose stuff, right? And so the alternative is, if you have an iPhone, you can actually purchase your tap card and put it in your wallet in your phone. I think that's really cool because if I'm traveling, I may not have it in my wallet. I may have it just because I don't use the Metro all the time. So if this is your first time getting a tap card, have one of the ambassadors to show you how to put it in your wallet so that you have it when you need it. All right, I hope that is helpful. All right, I hope this video was helpful and I hope you enjoy the view of the new LAX train station. And if you have utilized the train station, please let me know what are your thoughts. All right, peace.